This is the core question that drives everything else that we're going to discuss today. What if custom orders didn't start from scratch? What if engineering only had to define the logic once and then reuse it safely, consistently, and at scale? That's really the mind shift behind automation. This is where DriveWorks come in. DriveWorks is a rule-based automation and configuration platform built directly on top of, in this case, SOLIDWORks. Its entire purpose is to capture the engineering knowledge up front. For example, capturing common dimensions, variables, formulas, options, constraints, assembly mates, the way things go together, and the way that drawings should look. Once we capture that, we can turn that into reusable logic. So instead of engineering manually recreating designs, they define the system that creates the designs. That system is DriveWorks. With DriveWorks, you're not just automating a model. You're actually automating the entire output of engineering. This includes parts, assemblies, drawings, bills of materials, approved PDFs, DXFs for manufacturing, and even data that feeds into, say, your ERP or MRP tool, and in conjunction might land in PDM, right? Our data management tool that we use to control our organization. All of that is driven from what we call guided forms. These forms is how end users interact with the rules-based engine.